All right, hey guys, it's the Treehouse Diva and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the August 2018 Glossybox. It is my first Glossybox delivery and I've done a lot of research on different boxes, different subscription beauty boxes, and this one was ranked as one of the best ones. So I was really excited about it. My first subscription I got, I think for $16, I got a little bit of a discount that they sent me when I signed up for their emails. So that was really nice. But yeah, it's very early on in the month, so it's this is my first subscription box for August to come. I've had it for a few days, so I've gotten to actually familiarize myself with the products. I think that's really nice when you're reviewing these boxes because there's only so much you can really tell from a first impression. So I have gotten to try everything, and I do feel like I am somewhat familiar with the products. So yeah, so I'll let you know what I think of it. So let's just get into it. This is the box. It's a beach theme, and when you open it up, it comes with this little guide inside, and then everything's wrapped up, and obviously everything of mine has been opened, but that's everything in there. They're pretty decent sized products. You get deluxe size to full size. And the guide shows you everything, the retail prices of everything inside, and it gives you a description. So yeah, some of the things I liked, some of the things I wasn't too happy with. So I think what I'm going to do is sort of the compliment sandwich, if you will, which is you start with something that you like, you kind of go in the middle is more of the criticism, and then the end is something that you did like. So, you know, I don't want to be negative on any of these things. These are just my opinions. But at the same time, I do also want to be honest, you know, my honest opinions about everything. This is not sponsored. I paid for this. So these are just my honest opinions about all of these products, and everyone's experience is different. So take it for what it is. But okay, so I will start with one of the products that I liked. So first it comes with a nail polish, and this is the full size. I think it was $16 in, let's see. Yeah, $16 for this. It's by NCLA Los Angeles. It's formaldehyde free. It's a watermelon pink color, which is really pretty for the summer. Unfortunately, I can't actually wear nail polish on my fingernails because of my job. So I'm a chef, and I'm not allowed to wear it. So I was, you know, it's a little bit sad because I would definitely wear this, but I can do it on my toenails, or I can paint my daughter's nails, or I could even give it to a friend. Maybe I'll give it as a gift because I think this would be a great gift. So right there already, that's a good value for the box. I think, you know, I feel like if there's at least like half the items that you like and it fulfills the value of the box, then it's probably somewhat worth it. So yeah, that was the nail polish. It's called Been Drinkin' is the color, the name of the color. So yeah, that was kind of cool. The next item is called the Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox. It's an exfoliating pre-wash treatment. Okay, so this is the size. It is 1.69 fluid ounces, and the retail size, which is 3 ounces, is $34. So this is probably about half that. Okay, so I'll be honest, this was by far my least favorite thing in the entire box. I used this before my shampooing treatment the other day. And you're supposed to like let it sit into your scalp, and it has these little micro beads in it, and it's really perfumey. It just has a really strong perfumey scent. It's supposed to provide this cooling sensation on your head, which it does on your scalp, and then you're supposed to like rub the little exfoliating beads into your scalp. This just I feel like it's so annoying. Who wants to do a pre-wash treatment? Like, how many steps do you really need in your beauty care? I don't even have time sometimes to even wash my hair, so I feel like this is A, just an extra step, and B, like the smell was way too strong. Like, I could smell it all night while I was sleeping. I feel like it woke me up almost. The next day I smelled it in my hair, and it was overly perfumey. the microbeads didn't even wash out of my hair. Like I could feel them in my scalp for the next day. My scalp actually felt itchy, so it actually felt less detoxified. I wanted to go home and just like scrub. I did like a major shampoo treatment the next night to get it out of my hair. So I personally would never buy this. I don't even know why anyone would buy this. I would be shocked if anyone liked this product. Like, why not just put the like detox in your shampoo treatment? And like the microbeads that didn't even wash out, that was crazy. This was I don't know, like just like having little sand granules in your hair is just the last thing that I would ever want. So yeah, this product was not my favorite one in the box at all. So let's see here. The next product I was just kind of meh about. It's Ren Skincare Flash Hydro Boost Instant Plumping Emulsion. So they describe it as a pre-moisturizer treatment to plump your skin. And so I feel the same way I did with the pre-wash treatment. It's like, why would you have a pre-moisturizer treatment? Why wouldn't you just like have a plumping moisturizer? It just seems like a way to like sell more products, and why you couldn't incorporate that into a moisturizer is sort of beyond me. But I will say I did try this out, and I feel like it actually is just kind of a moisturizer. It has a little bit of a perfumey scent, which I don't like. I either want my skincare products to smell like essential oils and natural products, or just to have no fragrance at all. So the perfuminess I'm not really a fan of. I think it does have some hyaluronic acid. It did have a plumping effect, so I will give it that. This isn't a total fail. Like, I would use this as a moisturizer. I just don't see why it's called a pre-moisturizer. On to the next few products, 3 more. We got a K-Beauty product, and this is a VDL Lumilayer Primer Fresh, and this primer gently hugs and hydrates the skin with deep moisture, volumizing light, brightening the skin with clear and watery radiance, which I feel like that is true. This, it's a primer. It has a little bit of moisturizing properties. It has a sort of luminosity to it. It definitely, I'll put a little bit on so you can kind of see. I would definitely use this product as a primer / luminizer. It really does have a nice finish on the skin. Maybe a subtle smell to it. But yeah, this was great. I haven't actually used it as a primer yet, but just putting on my skin, I can see it has a nice finish and it's luminizing. I need to go really subtle with the moisture in the summertime because I live in such a humid climate. So I might save this for the winter. But it just has this really nice pearlescence to it. So I'm excited about this product. It's definitely good. I use the Cover FX custom enhancer drops in the summer, and those have almost no moisture in it, which is good because it doesn't make my skin oily or greasy. So that's what I'm using right now. But I think once the fall hits, I'll probably use this. So I'm happy with it. The price of it, the featured size is $10. It's 0.4 ounces. So yeah, I'm always excited about this new trend, K-Beauty. I mean, I don't know if it's overhyped or if it's good, but this is my second K-Beauty product. The first one I didn't really like, because it was like a lip powder, which I don't know, didn't do anything for me, but I like this. So yeah, happy with that. Okay, and the last 2 products. Okay. So we'll go with the Sets Blot and Translucent Powder. These are disposable blotting I'll just open one up so you can see it. But yeah, what this is it's basically like a blotting sponge that comes with this. It has a slight shimmer in it, this translucent powder, and it does actually have a little bit of very, very fine not sparkles, I don't want to call it sparkles, but there is like some like mica or something in it. So even though it does absorb oil, it doesn't make your skin totally flat, but you can't see the shimmer at all. It's totally undetectable, but it's like a luminous matte. It's a really nice finish to these little, and these are disposable blotting sponges, but I actually have been saving them and just putting some of my Tarte translucent finishing powder on it, and these work. You don't have to throw them away, but I've heard you can get these at CVS. It retails for let's see, $3.99. I think that's a good price. It's the set blot and translucent powder, but if you look at this powder, it just really is beautiful. So to be able to accomplish both mattifying and sort of luminizing in one is just really impressive to me. So yeah, I am super psyched about these, and these little sponges are totally absorbing all the oil on my skin, and the powder absorbs a lot of oil. They say it like absorbs like 8 times the oil, or I don't know what it was exactly, but these are really awesome. At first I was like, oh, disposable blotting paper things, like, I don't know, it just seemed like kind of a waste, but I think this is awesome. So I'm really, really excited about this, especially because it's summer and it's so hot and humid and disgusting that these are really, really nice to have. So yeah, thank you, Glossybox, for this. Really great. You can just put this packet in your purse. So super cool. And then the last product, I actually didn't think I was the most excited about it until I tried it this morning. I don't really use eye gel, but this is the Mono Skin Line Smoothing Eye Cool Gel for all skin types with arnica and Siberian ginseng, formulated in the UK. It's fragrance free, which I love. It says this refreshing gel instantly revives and tones tired eyes, reduces puffiness and dark circles. So yeah, I don't usually use eye gel or eye cream because I honestly use so I usually use argan oil on my face, and that just works as an eye cream. So I just thought I wouldn't like this, but this is really great. It's a gel, so it's not greasy. So I put it all over my face this morning, and it just was like a toning and brightening, and it was not greasy, and I really liked this. It did seem to like kind of wake up and revive my skin, probably with the ginseng. So I really liked this this eye cool gel, and it is $30 for 0.5 ounces, and in here it's not saying how much. 1.5 milliliters. I don't know how much that is, but I really did like this. Yeah, go ahead. I really did like this eye cool gel. So it's great for the summertime. You can just use it as an all over moisture. Aloe vera is one of the first ingredients, so I love using aloe vera on my face in the summer because it's not greasy. So yeah, this is a really good product. So I would say overall I'm pretty happy with the Glossybox. At first I didn't know if I liked it, but now that I've tried some of the products, I do think that there are enough items in there that I'm excited about, that that it made it worth it for me. Specifically, the blotting paper or the blotting sponges, those were probably my favorite. And then I would say second would be this eye cool gel. So yeah, overall it was a win for me. But I'm excited to see next month. I would be curious to hear what your thoughts were on the box. But yeah, that's my review of the Glossybox, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I think it's time for me to split. So hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon. And feel free to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to be notified about any new videos. More box reviews coming up. All right guys, have an awesome day.